Here are 10 incredible times nature proved stranger than fiction. 1. Bioluminescent bays. In places like Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico, the water glows an electric blue at night, as though from another planet. This phenomenon is caused by tiny organisms called dinoflagellates, which emit light when disturbed. The glow is so vibrant that it illuminates swimmers and boats, making it look like a scene from a sci-fi film. 2. Zombie ant fungus. This horrifyingly fascinating fungus, Ophiocordyceps, infects ants, taking control of their minds. The fungus manipulates the ant's movements, causing it to climb to a high point before latching onto a leaf or twig. The fungus then consumes the ant from within, eventually sprouting out of its body to release spores and infect other ants. This eerie display of parasitic mind control is straight out of a horror movie. 3. Raining animals. While it sounds absurd, reports of animals raining from the sky have been documented across the globe. Fish, frogs, and even spiders have been known to fall from above during certain storms. Scientists believe strong winds or waterspouts lift these animals into the air, carrying them over long distances before they eventually drop to the ground, a scene that could belong in a surrealist painting. 4. Lake natrons, petrified animals. Lake Natron in Tanzania contains such high levels of alkaline that animals that fall into the water appear to turn to stone. The lake's high pH levels, due to its mineral-rich waters, preserve these creatures in a hauntingly lifelike state, reminiscent of a petrifying curse from mythology. 5. The immortal jellyfish. The Turritopsis dohrnii, or immortal jellyfish, has the remarkable ability to revert to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood. This biological reset process allows it to escape death and start its life cycle all over again, potentially living indefinitely. This extraordinary regenerative power is unmatched in the animal kingdom and feels like something out of fantasy. 6. The sailing stones of Death Valley. In California's Death Valley, large stones mysteriously move across the desert floor, leaving long trails behind them. For decades, this phenomenon baffled scientists. Recently, it was found that thin sheets of ice form under the stones during cold nights, and when the ice breaks up in the morning sun, it pushes the rocks forward. The sight of rocks seemingly moving on their own still feels like an eerie magical occurrence. 7. Superheated waterfalls in the Amazon. Deep within the Peruvian Amazon lies the boiling river. This river's waters reach near boiling temperatures due to geothermal activity below. Native legends long spoke of the river, and though it sounds fictional, it's very real. The river is hot enough to kill small animals and can cause severe burns, making it a deadly natural phenomenon that few believe without seeing. 8. The rainbow eucalyptus trees. The Eucalyptus deglupta, commonly known as the rainbow eucalyptus, has a bark that naturally changes color. As the tree's bark sheds, it reveals bright, pastel shades of blue, purple, orange, and green underneath. These trees look more like art installations than natural flora, bringing bursts of color to forests and inspiring awe among onlookers. 9. Aurora borealis and aurora australis. The northern and southern lights create surreal landscapes of glowing greens, purples, and reds across the sky, illuminating the night with dazzling beauty. These auroras are the result of particles from the sun colliding with Earth's magnetic field. Though scientific, these lights resemble magic and have inspired legends worldwide, appearing in cultures from the Vikings to the Inuit. 10. The Great Attractor. In one of the most mysterious events in cosmic nature, scientists discovered a massive, gravitational anomaly in space called the Great Attractor. This hidden region appears to pull galaxies, including our own, toward it at high speeds. Located in a dense area of space obscured by the Milky Way, it remains largely invisible and unexplained, evoking questions about the nature of the universe itself. Nature's wonders often defy logic and exceed our imagination. These astonishing phenomena remind us that the natural world has mysteries that science may take centuries to fully understand, if ever. Sometimes, reality truly is stranger than fiction.